Good morning, guys. This is the fourth print attempt. Still got quite a way to go. It's 7 hours into it, and because of the way I'm doing it, it's got about another 2 hours to go. What have I done different this time? I've enabled a Z hop to try and stop it knocking its bits over as it moves from one piece to another. It's one of those things you usually see people say disable it, so I've never had it enabled, but I thought I'd give it a try. There's still a couple of odd bits laying at the back there, no idea where they've come from. It's always a bit worrying. We'll come back later. Right. We're up to 98%. We've done 9 hours 22 minutes. We're printing it according to that 255 degrees on the nozzle and 80 on the bed. See a bit of stringing in there, and as I said earlier, I've no idea what those odd little bits are on the bed there, where they've come from. No idea at all. Unless that was some sort of problem with the raft, because that looks a bit stringy around the edges. How long is the last 2% going to take? Now it is doing the feat where a couple of the prints failed. Obviously those long thin legs there don't have a lot of strength while it's still warm, and they have broken in the past, which is why I've enabled a Z hop, because that should reduce the stress as it lifts off one and moves to the other. That's my theory. Still on 98%. Might have to come back. Trouble is, if it's going to break, I'd like to catch it on camera. I will be catching it on the time lapse. That's not quite as good as catching it . moved on to 99%. Thing is, this is still just the test piece. I've got more detail I want to add to it. Although I suppose I could glue the extra detail on the outside rather than printing it all in one go. And I'll just repeat myself again, this is using PETG rather than PLA. Sure, I can see a bit of wobble on that leg. I was saying I'd combined the STL from somebody else's file with a bit of my own design, and I've just remembered that the Walker that I've used the STL file from, I did have trouble printing that. Took a few attempts. Right. Oh, a bit stringy. That's been a problem all along. But we appear to have completed the print. "9 hours 30 minutes. Right, background noise, we got the washing machine on. Just giving it a test. One leg isn't as free as the other, so it's just not quite right yet. And I think I'm probably much too top heavy because I've got more to add to it yet. You need a head on it and arms. I'll just try a bit more of a slope, but I think it'll tip over. Yeah, if I give it more of a slope, it falls over. And I've got to free up those legs somehow. They're just not moving well enough. Very slightly better. Still too much of a slope. Yes, definitely one leg is moving more than the other. Still, I've freed them up a bit. I suppose if I keep working on them, they'll be all right eventually. Well, I've made some progress. I've managed to free up his legs so they both fall forwards and fall backwards the full distance. I had to poke bits of wire up the insides to try and get away any of the stringiness of the print. So, definitely a step forwards. I don't think I've got the balance right at all, and it's going to get different anyway when I put a head on it and arms. But we are making progress. Well, we were. Yeah, that'll do for now. So this was supposed to be the test piece, and I was going to put more detail in the next print. I've actually got an idea that I'll do a completely different print next time. Have the leg module or the leg section modular so we can actually slot it in and pull it out and have the body completely separate. So that's the way I may go. But at the moment, we're doing okay. Thanks for watching. You'll always find more information down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. You might like to subscribe just here. Over here is my latest video on my channel. And down below is a playlist related to what you've just been watching. Thanks again for watching.